Do you have a packing space in your home? Is it organized? Mine is not. I pack in my guest bedroom and I generally leave out everything from my previous trip all over the place. So today I'm going to clean that packing space up, and I recommend you do the same. It will reduce your stress and anxiety, and it will maximize your space. There's nothing better to prepare for travel in a nice, clean packing space. So come along with me as I prepare to clean up my area and pack for my next trip on Virgin Voyages cruise. So let's clean up this room together. I might need a coffee for this. All right, that's that. I got out some things that I'm gonna take. We got more of an organized situation going on. My jewelry, some toiletries, my medicine bag, never leave home without it. My purses that I plan to take, some wine bags, some tech stuff, bags. I have my packing cubes, my swim cap. I need to put this away. I got some swims out and a cover up. I'm just gonna take 2 this time. I just laid these shorts out because I don't know which I'm gonna pack or I'm in the mood to pack. Here's all the tops to the pants that I have to hem, and I'm gonna hem those with iron-on tape. Here's my birthday dress, and under that is just another dress and another little skirt set. And then here are the shoes that I plan on packing. And then here are 1 pair of pajamas. That's for pajama night. So anyway, that's it. I have shown you the ugly, the dirty of how I'm packing for the next trip.